Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you this product that I just received. This is a beautiful detail for that person that you love, and it's this beautiful box. Look, first let me show you what else are in the other box. So here is a certificate for the stone that are inside of the box that I show you first. Came with all the identifications of the jewelry. Came with this box to protect your accessory, and with a beautiful card for that person that you love and you want to impress with this gift. So the best part, I love this detail of this that says best wishes for you. I think that is lovely and beautiful. So once you open the box, you will see this beautiful jewelry. This is a heart. Well, two hearts, one shiny and another that is gold. So let me use it to show you how I see. Look, I think that the stone is impressive, it's gorgeous, and looks beautiful in any outfit. I think that is a perfect gift for your lovely person or for your mom, friend, sister. That person that is special for you will be so happy with this gift and looks beautiful. Look this. So I highly recommend it. See you.